I just wanted to point out that I am no hair expert, right? I'm just trying this whole process to, you know, get to know my hair more, because as my hair is growing, I'm also growing in the knowledge and understanding of my natural hair and getting to know my hair better. Welcome to my channel. I'm Winnie Badaiki, and it looks like I'm slowly turning my channel into a hair channel, because as you guys know, I had my big chop on June 22nd, and I have been meticulously taking care of my hair, doing processes that ensure hair growth, and this is a 1 month progress. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys the hair masks that I use to deep condition my hair and steam my hair every Saturday. So what's contained in this hair mask is avocado pear, banana, tea tree oil, Jamaican castor oil, honey, mayonnaise, and egg. I did my research, and all the products, the natural products, ingredients that I feel works very well with my hair are what I put inside. I don't want to use like tons of products. I feel this is already too much, but I've been using this for up to 3 weeks, and honestly the texture of my hair is kind of changing. So before I get into how I apply it and how I use it, I'm just going to show you the process in making it. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick, right around the slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. I'm going to wash my hair and condition it before I deep condition it. And this is the steamer bag, the steamer that I'm going to use to steam my hair after applying my deep condition. So I just connect it to a cable, I regulate the heat. I don't think this makes much of a difference really. And then I just put this, you can see inside it has a plastic wrap. Before we get into that, I'm just going to wash my hair and condition it. This is my shampoo and conditioner that I like to use. I've been meticulously using the same products because I don't like to be switching and changing products. So I want to try Cantu shea butter natural oil, natural hair, sulfate-free cleansing cream shampoo, and their shea butter sulfate-free hydrating cream conditioner. So I'm going to use this and I'll be back. So I'm back. My hair is washed. I read somewhere that you're not supposed to use towel to dry your hair, but like a t-shirt. I don't know how true that is, but for now I'll use the old way. So my hair now is washed and clean. Now I'm going to apply my hair mask. After applying my hair mask, I like to put on this plastic shower cap before I put on my steamer, because it's easier to wash this than to clean this or wash it. I'm pretty sure when my hair grows like fuller, I can section my hair before I apply this, because I'll need it to get into the scalp and the roots of my hair, the follicles. But for now, I don't have a lot of hair in my head, so I can just apply it like this and it goes inside. Besides, there's nothing to demarcate yet. When applying, I like to apply from here, like work my way from the edges of my hair down to other part. This hair mask is quite like a lot for the quantity of my hair. I don't have a lot, but I'm pretty sure once my hair grows, this is not going to be enough. But for now, let me enjoy the benefits of a big chop. See, I've already put enough on my hair,
but the max is still a lot. And if I put this entire thing on my hair, it's going to start dripping. That's the thing about Big Chop. Once you do a Big Chop, you don't have to bother about products. You have the luxury of trying out different products. So this is what I've been doing for the past 3 weeks. The first time I tried it, I didn't try with banana. I tried with avocado. Then the next time I tried with banana and avocado. About the duration of the steamer cap on your head, I'm not sure. I just leave it on my head till whenever I'm tired. I could just leave it on my hair and sleep off. Like, it's so relaxing. I got my steamer cap on Jumia for approximately 7,000 naira plus delivery in Abuja. For the next step, I'm going to comb through my hair with this tail comb so that the products can reach deep into my roots, into my follicles. I think this comb is becoming too small for my hair. As when I had my Big Chop, I could use this thing very comfortable. So I'm going to connect this to so the steamer cap takes about 5 minutes for it to get hot, pretty much. Okay, it doesn't really get hot though. I'm going to be back when I'm satisfied with the steaming, because I'm probably going to sleep and let my hair eat. See you in the next 3-4 hours. Then I'm going to show you the end result of steaming my hair. Welcome back. I actually stayed under the steamer for like 3 hours, approximately 3 hours, because I started around 4 and right now it's 7 p.m. So that's 3 hours here. Usually I stay for like 5 hours, 6 hours, because I just sleep off and then I wake up and I just take it off and wash my hair. You guys, this is so soothing, it's so relaxing. My bed is stained because it kept dripping. I can't imagine how it to be when my hair gets full. Can you imagine? Upon the protection, it's still stained. This is our hair. My hair is so warm. Why does it feel like my hair fried? In case you're wondering, the raw egg that I put inside the mixture, it doesn't fry on my hair though. Like, it's just, I don't know, but I've never had a case where the egg fried on my head. I'm taking this off. I'm just going to wash my hair. I'm done washing my hair and I'm back to lock in moisture. I just wanted to point out that I am no hair expert, right? I'm just trying this whole process to, you know, get to know my hair more, because as my hair is growing, I'm also growing in the knowledge and understanding of my natural hair and getting to know my hair better. That's not too tiny. So I'm using Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. I feel this Cantu has a lot of build-up. It causes a lot of build-up in my hair, so I have to wash my hair like twice a week. I don't know whether my hair is high porosity or low porosity. I'm still trying to understand that porosity thingy. I know that like porosity is your hair's ability to retain water, but I don't know if my hair retains water or not, because it sucks water. So I don't even understand. The term is confusing, the analogy is confusing. All I know is I have to be applying spritz. So like I'm constantly spraying on my hair to like make it wet and not dry, because it completely dries out, and it's so annoying because I know that is what causes breakage. If I pour water on my hair, 2 minutes is dried out. This is what I'm going to be applying for the oil section of my moisturizing. Now I'm moving into the cream part, and I'm using shea butter, what we call Oreoyo. I think it's Yoruba people that call it Oreoyo, yeah. So this is shea butter. It's in its original form. It's natural, pure, and you can see it's pure shea butter. I apply a lot of this on my hair. Like, I don't even measure this one. I just pack and go. I always try to deep condition my hair every Saturday, and peradventure I have somewhere important to be on Saturday and I cannot do it comfortably. I just go wherever I'm going to, and then when I come back I do it in the night. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to my hair blossoming and growing with me. Mwah! Bye.